The next housemate to be evicted from the Big Brother Naija 10 over 10 house is Sultana. I asked you a few days ago, about Jason, and you said when you come out, you will decide. What are you waiting to find out outside?
Well, Ebuka, I haven't found out what I need to find out, but then when I do, then I'll know. But
Which is what?
and then Ebuka, can I have that information to myself, please?
You came on a public show. You want to hide certain things. It's not possible.
Ebuka, I'm not hiding nothing. I don't just know. Like I said, I still haven't known. So when I'm out there, I'll know.
How does it feel getting this close to the money and not winning it, honestly?
To be honest, Ebuka, like I've always said, getting into the house for me is a win. Getting to the top 10, come on, it's a win. So I'm good.
Well, you definitely did good. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Sultana. Good luck.
My name is Sultana Awodison Ibrahim. You can call me Sultana. I am from Adamawa State.
I am a drama queen with a commanding tone and presence.
It may seem as though Big Brother's house is a sultanate this week. Sultana, congratulations.
I don't want to shoot. Why I think this guy likes me.
I really want you to anyway, but not here.
Sorry, Jason.
I am being worried about you that you are swallowing your shoe and then you are raising me. Wait, let me speak. No, they follow me. They talk to snakes, I beg.
You are hereby banned from consuming alcohol for 1 week.
I got the Afizi. Mama can fly like.
Head of house, Sultana, the finalist.
I'm really proud of myself.